Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about XRP, really understanding what's happening with the price right now and what we could be expecting as we do close Friday and going into the weekend. So happy Friday first and foremost. It has been an amazing week for the crypto markets. I'm sure everyone can relate to that. But yeah, let's really take a look at what's happening with XRP right now. I'm seeing a little bit of a switch, and what I mean by that is you're seeing meme coins starting to pop off now. We remember utility projects were gaining traction over the last few days, and meme coins were actually lagging, and here we are looking at actually meme coins picking up. And I'm talking about the big ones. SPX entered the top 100, Bonk is up 14.2, Pepe up 11.3%, Shiba Inu. You guys get the idea as to what I'm really trying to get at. But let's take a look at XRP, because of course that's what everyone is here for. Shout out to the XRP community as always. But yeah, the price of XRP $3.28, up 0.3% in USD comparative, or down 4.3% in Bitcoin comparative over the course of the last 24 hours. Now, looking at the market valuation, $188.8 billion. Yes, you've heard that correct. $188.8 billion is the market valuation for XRP right now, with the 24-hour trading volume at about 14.3 billion. And again, this is the beauty of doing day-to-day analysis. You are looking at the 24-hour trading volume decreasing over the last few hours, but it's still quite high, and I do believe this is a nice, healthy consolidation. And the fact that we call this a consolidation is insane to think about, and it's consolidating literally at around $3.30. But yeah, let's take a further look. Before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So after a record XRP daily close, we're still deep green net with $64.96 million so far, close at 7 p.m. Eastern time. And of course, let's see where, the price of XRP closes today, which most likely I think is going to be where it is sitting right now. But moving forward, Bullish, Binance CEO Richard Tang stated that over 562 million people worldwide own cryptocurrencies, representing a 6.8% of the global population. And this number is literally still peanuts compared to, what's coming. 6.8%, a few years ago, this was, much lower, but we're sitting at about 6.8%, guys. That is huge. This is not a small number, and I think it's only going to increase as time goes by. But yeah, let's keep moving forward. You can see breaking President Trump to designate crypto as a national priority. Literally 3 more days left until Donald Trump comes and takes into the office. I think this picture is completely badass. I love this. And yeah, let's move forward. The incoming administration also plans on creating a 24-member crypto advisory council. We know about this, giving industry insiders a voice within his administration. Many experts expect President Trump to issue executive orders on the first day of his presidency that may address issues relating to cryptocurrencies. What do you guys think about this? Do you think this is going to happen on day one moving forward? Shout out to our friend Smoke. You can see what he says. Every single XRP buyer over the last 7 years is now in profit or breaking even. This is being highlighted by institutions in their weekly newsletters. You had your time to accumulate. Now it's time for XRP to show its true potential. And again, this is the beauty of holding. This is the beauty of doing your due diligence and research and investing what you can afford to lose. I've stated this to you guys several different times. Cryptocurrency is known for volatility, right? There's risk associated to it. People come into the space thinking that there's no risk. Market is just going to give you profit and that's it. There's people that are holding XRP over the last 7 years, and now they're break even. And a project like XRP has gone through so much a FUD, so many different things, and it has still succeeded. And here we are breaking out, and this should be a learning lesson. This space is not instant gains. It does require maybe holding long term, and the people that have been holding since 2016 are up thousands of percent. Shout out to obviously the XRP community. So this is huge. Of course, I'm really happy for the XRP community that truly deserve this. But moving forward, look at this. I really wanted to kind of go over this as to what Venom says, and I'm going to share my thoughts on this. as we approach the presidential inauguration, keep one thing in mind. Where crypto is going from this point on is completely unknown. Everything up until this point was completely different, and crypto market as a whole is going to change drastically. Bear market won't exist ever again. Institutions are ready to get in, sink trillions into the market. Crypto without license aren't going to survive. Meme coins will be dead in the water. The degenerate side of crypto will be gone. If you're putting your money into anything, make sure the cryptocurrency you're investing into is coming for a legitimate company. And I totally agree with this, except this part. I don't agree with this. It's not. I still think bear market is going to come. Maybe we're not going to see those 60-80% drop for Bitcoin like we have seen in the past. I think those days might be gone. But bear market is still going to happen, and this market still is going to run into cycles. It's not just going to keep going up. So of course, if long term is your goal, and you don't care about locking in, you don't care about selling your profits or the price is going down, then that's your strategy. But if you're here for the short term, then locking in profits is very important. But everything else, I totally agree with, and I've been saying this. This is where the super cycle part comes into play. Meme coins might actually die. Basically this cycle after that, I don't even think if regulation really comes heavily, maybe meme coins don't exist anymore except, the big ones. But again, that is going to be really interesting. And I think this could really be interesting to see how the next few months really play out in the next year, I would say. But I would strongly suggest you guys, to, do your due diligence research and really understand what you're getting yourself into. And, diversify your portfolios. If you're only into memes, that is really dangerous. You want to diversify your portfolio, if memes are something that you love, maybe have some memes, maybe have some utility projects that actually have fundamental use cases, and are going to get licenses. So, that is something that I really, really strongly suggest you guys to be looking into. But let me know your thoughts down below regarding this whole thing, what your personal thoughts are. Moving forward, look at this, guys. Bitcoin dominance has been pulling down, quite sharply, but, Bitcoin has had an amazing day. So look at this. We broke out of that key resistance. I spoke to you guys over the last few updates. Bitcoin actually went up to $106,000 almost. And, we're pretty much on the edge of almost breaking towards all-time highs. So, Bitcoin is looking amazing. If it's able to close its daily candle around here, I think we could actually see an all-time high even this weekend. But with that said, let's take a look at what's happening with XRP, because of course that's what everyone wants to know right now. What's happening with XRP? When is XRP's price going to go up? And it's crazy to think about. Some people have already forgotten that XRP has almost reached all-time high. So, we really need to realize that aspect right now. But, XRP is showing strength still. Let me show you guys on the hourly time frame to really make you guys understand. And XRP wants to push out. You can see this for yourself. We obviously came down to $3.17 a few hours ago. We got retested around that range, which of course was a resistance at one point. Nice bounce back up at almost $3.30. If we're able to close around this range and your Bitcoin continues to thrive, I actually think XRP could start heading towards all-time highs and actually break the all-time high for good, which is around that $3.84 recording on CoinMarketCap and on Coinbase. So I'm really liking the setup. If anyone's complaining about this setup, guys, come on, look at it from a realistic standpoint. Just since the price got into the 23.6 fib zone, XRP price pumped up 31.9%. Insane momentum still. I'll keep you guys covered, of course. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.